Congrats, your ass done made it back to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn them houses into cash. Salute to all the real ones out there watching. This video focuses on property data, aka what you got, which is step 3 in the wholesale process. After you watch this video, make sure you go back to videos 1 and 2 to catch up. If you're a virgin to the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. I know a few of y'all out there indulge in the herbal essence on the regular. Y'all call the plug and ask what you got. Is it some Cook? Is it some Za? Is it some Loud? Is it some Mid? Is it Indica? Sativa? How much for a zip? How much for a pound? This is exactly the same thing as asking questions about the property data. You want to ask the seller, aka the plug, how many beds and baths does it have? How many square feet is the property? What's the property's current condition? Does somebody live in it or is it empty? What is the mortgage amount, aka how much is owed for the property? The final question you want to ask is, how much do you want? Now you may be asking why you need to know all this information. This information is necessary to determine how much the home is worth and how much you can offer for the property. You need to know this information before you meet the seller, aka the plug, because you want to get them to sign the contract and sell you the house that day. Like, if you was buying a pack, you wouldn't want to offer too high, but it's a mid-grade. You want to get your money's worth, and that's in any situation. So let's recap. You want to ask questions to figure out the property data. These questions include number of beds and baths, square feet of the property, the current condition of the property, is somebody living in it or is it empty, what's the mortgage amount, aka how much you own the property, and the biggest question, which is how much do you want? This info is necessary to determine what the home is worth, how much you can offer for it, and is it worth pursuing. Make sure you know this information before you make an appointment to see the house. Did we miss anything when it comes to property data questions we should have asked? If so, let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. On our next video, we will cover the after repair value, aka the finished crib price, which ties into how much we can offer for a property. So until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.